Guys, that shows LinkedIn is a tool that will help you throughout your career. Okay, you get a placement from a college, but the next switch you have to find it at your own. And even this stage, you can get a placement from, even at your level from LinkedIn. Okay, so it's a tool where you should be active more than Instagram. Okay, so
जस्ट टू ऐड टू दिस,
uh,
आज तक मैंने जितने भी जॉब्स सर्च किए सब लिंक्डइन से ही किए हैं. तो
what else? What else?
एंड जितनी भी प्रीमियम कंपनीज हैं वो आजकल दे हायर फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन ओनली. सो आई थिंक यू शुड क्रिएट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड प्रेजेंस देयर, रीच आउट टू योर सीनियर्स. और आजकल लिंक्डइन पे भी इनफैक्ट एक लेवल आगे आ गया, हम उस पर भी बात करते हैं
सर,
थोड़ी
जब
देर
मैंने
में.
ये वेंचर स्टार्ट किया, द फर्स्ट थिंग आई made to work, like I started with the student, is to have a strong LinkedIn presence, so that they started using LinkedIn like very frequently. At the same time, they started making posts which are very unique, so that it goes to others also.
राइट.
Somebody sees and get attracted. At the same time,
राइट.
it gets more impression,
राइट.
which also adds to your profile in terms of your reach. So एक ये चीज़ again from my experience also I realize is very important. And here in Career Kunj we are focusing on particularly LinkedIn, that people should use it very very frequently, and I
That's
think
right.
it's a very strong platform. And the best part is that all the other job portals are cost to company. Companies have to pay, but whereas LinkedIn is not that costly. That is why you will find major recruiters, and especially the new ones, the new startups who cannot afford huge recruitment cost, are there on LinkedIn. Companies has to pay very huge amount even to open a single CV on Naukri.
Definitely.
From the other side, I'm talking you from a recruiter
Definitely.
point of view.
I know.
If I have made a job post on LinkedIn, then per CV, doesn't matter how irrelevant it was, if I download and open, I have to pay. So companies prefer saving this cost, and that is where they use the free platform like LinkedIn. And anybody can make a job post. Even I from Career Kunjan also make a job post, and that is why it is the most preferred platform.
And I think on LinkedIn also we can go one step even further. तो बेसिकली जॉब का प्रोसेस क्या होता है, जैसे अभी हम लोग हमारी कंपनी में हायर कर रहे हैं, तो मेरे मैनेजर ने एचआर को बोला है कि आप देखिए, मेरे मैनेजर ने हमारी टीम में भी बोला है कि आप देखिए, है ना, और मैनेजर खुद भी देख रहा है उस चीज़ को. तो आप अगर मेरी टीम में से किसी के पास जाओगे या एचआर के पास जाओगे, तो वो आपका एक स्टेप, एक लेवल बढ़ जाएगा ना, कि आप पहले उसके पास जाओगे फिर वो मैनेजर को सीवी देगा. इससे तो आप सीधे मेरे मैनेजर को अप्रोच करो, आप उसको क्रिएटिवली रीच आउट करो कि सर मैं ये जॉब है और इसके लिए इसलिए मैं रिलेवेंट हूँ. या आप उसको कोल्ड कॉल करो यार, उठा के आप उसको बोलो, सर हाय, दिस इज लेट्स से वरुण फ्रॉम so and so college, and I'm looking forward to this opportunity.
This is very
This is
important
why.
thing Rajdeep sir has said. That people usually misunderstood that HR have jobs. No, HR have been given the jobs requirement by the project managers.
That's right.
That I need a team member for my team. So it is basically the project manager who has a requirement. If we talk about the experience hiring, a project manager has a requirement. Yes, there is a proper department which looks after it, which is HR. That is why they recruit. But otherwise, it is a see, even the interview and the complete evaluation will be done by the project manager.
That's
HR
right.
will just shortlist a candidate and forward it to the project manager who has a requirement. So it would be eventually project manager's call. So if you come across somebody who is a leader, in a company, if it's a VP or some head or heading a project, you can directly reach out to them. And if they like you, they can take your profile and say to the HR team, we need this person in our team. And then you would be recruited. Okay.
Right.
Something to understand, HRs don't have jobs. It is basically the core project team which have the requirement, and HR does that. But what Rajdeep sir said,